So this is video number 2, me modeling how to do a little quiz assignment. Video 1, I showed you how to ask a question and how to test for multiple versions of no and multiple versions of yes. If the user hits yes on your assignment, a little quiz, you are supposed to display okay, here it comes, and then a question. This video is to show you how to display a question. Alrighty, so let me open up my little PyCharm. Here's my elif. The user, we check for yes. So I gotta print out, great, let's make a plan, because I'm asking them, do you want to hang out? I'm not asking them about the quiz. I'm asking them, do you want to hang out? I'm not doing the assignment for you. I'm modeling the steps on what you have to do. If they hit yes to my question, do you want to hang out? I say, great, let's make a plan. And now I'm going to show them plan A. So I have a variable called question. I put it inside 3 quotation marks. So whatever's inside the 3 quotation marks will output exactly how it is typed in right here. So this plan, this line right here is all the way indented all the way over to here. These 3 are indented even further. It'll output just like that. So I'm going to run it. Look down here, I'm going to hit yes. And you'll see how it's printed out just like I typed it in here. See it? See the vertical alignment? Watch what happens when I take this and I scoot it all the way over to the left. And then I'm going to run it again. I'm going to hit yes. I'll type in yes this time. So this one passed right here. See how it's all the way left aligned? So even though it's left aligned, and it's still part of the elif because it's inside these 3 quotation marks. So that's the power of Python. It's so flexible. It's really flexible. So that's how you print out a question. Alrighty, but now I don't want to print it. I want the user to respond. We can hike at one of the following places and they got to respond. So I got to get that response. I have to get that response. So how do I get that response and store it? Well, we got that variable called user's response. Let's just use it again. So where's that print statement going? Where'd it go? Right here. So I put, instead of a print, I use an input. And now it'll still display. It'll still display. Okay? But now no matter whatever I enter in, A, B, or C, that value is going to be stored in here. And if I print out user's response, you'll see it stored there. I'm going to run it. I'm going to hit yes. I'm going to hit A. The A is going to go into this variable, user's response, and I'm going to print out user's response. Okay? There's the A that I entered in right there. So that's from lines 24 and 25. I hope this helps, showing you how to create a question and how to get the response from the user. The next step, remember these print statements are only for testing purposes. The next step is test the user's response. Is the user's response an A, B, or C? And don't forget, they can enter in an A or they can type in Bear Creek Run. So you got to take into account both of these. Okay, whatever the right answer is. For me, I think the right answer is going to be, I think it's going to be, I want to say Deer Run or Bear Creek Run. I don't remember. I'll do that in the next video. Thank you for listening. Oh, I should